Good morning. In our today's session, we are going to continue with the morphology of flower, and we are going to discuss about the two outermost hole of a flower that are formed by sepal and petal. Now, sepals are basically green in color that forms the outermost hole. The group of sepal is called calyx, and they protect the flower in the bud condition. Now, if the sepals are united, then we use the term gamosepalous, and if the sepals are free or separated from each other, then term is polysepalous. Same way, the next hole is formed by petal, which is the colorful bright part and that attract the insects for pollination. Here also, if the petals are united, we use the term gamopetalous, and if the petals are free, then we use the term polypetalous. So basically the gamo word is used for united condition or fused condition, whereas poly is used for free. So the group of petal is together known as corolla. Now let us see the next very important and a new heading, estivation. It is basically the arrangement of sepal and petal in the bud with relation to each other. So in your NCERT there are 4 different types of estivation discussed. We will discuss them one after the other. Let us see the figure of these estivations. Velvet, twisted, imbricate, quintial and vexillary. These are the different types of estivation. Let us see the velvet first. Here the sepals and the petals are in contact with each other, but they are not overlapping. They are just touching one another, but overlapping is not there. China rose is one of the example. Calotropis is the another example. You can see here in the velvet, the sepal and the petals are touching, the margins are touching each other, but there is no overlapping. The next type is the twisted type. Now here the overlapping of the appendages is seen, and the overlapping is in definite direction. You can see the left side of the appendage is outside and the right is inside. Again, when you see the next appendage, the same, left is out, right is in, left is out, right is in. So twisting is in particular direction. So that is the another one which is twisted. Cotton is the example for this, ladyfinger is the example for this. Now next is the imbricate and quenching, where also the margins are overlapping each other, but the overlapping is not in a definite manner. Now in case of imbricate, one petal is or one appendage is completely inside, one is completely outside and 3 are overlapping. Whereas in case of quintial, the 2 are outside, the 2 are inside and 1 is showing the overlapping. The next is the vexillary type. Here the 5 petals are there which are having the different size. You can see the 2 biggest are known as standard, which are overlapped by the 2 small ones which are known as wings, and which in turn are overlapped by the further smallest ones which are called P, which are called keel. So Gulmohar, P, these are basically the example for the vexillary type of estivation. So this estivation is a very new topic. You have not learned this. Generally it is being asked for the 5 marks question. So sorry, it's a bit technical problem is there, just a moment. So this is the different type of estivations that you